Nadugo nela, na mala suna you would have recognized that the Kandam, Sadashram applied in the Kandam, somewhere in the middle, right? Like you, not it started even before, and it is a good experience for the kids also. They applied at the end also. Dit tankada takata kita takata kita natum. Dit tankada takata kita takata kita takata natum. Dit tankada takata kita takata kita takata kita. Dit tankada takata kita takata kita natum. Dit tankada takata kita takata kita takata natum. Dit tankada takata kita takata kita takata natum. So it is a new thing. It is also, it's not like regular people. We do a lot of mridangam. We do a lot of nadai changes. We usually the usual nadai changes are. You start with, we call it like 5 columns. In Mridangam Tamniyavratam, we started one word per beat, then we do a Tisram of that, then we do Madhyama Kalam, then we do Male Kala Tisram, then we do Mekala. We do 5 columns. In Dhaniyavratam, then we do Tisram, we do Kandanadai, where we put 3 words per beat, we do 4 words per beat, 5 words per beat, 6 words per beat, 7 words per beat, 8 words per beat, 9 words, everything is all gone now. So I had to invent something new. So this is the new one on Kanda. It's not my own thing, but it is something inspired from Tamil. Tamil people have so much mathematics because they don't have that much tonal differences. So they do a lot more math. And a lot of people, I heard, like I was talking to Narendran Mama and I went to, recently I met him and he talked about how much he learned from Palakkad Raghu sir. When he used to, that's why like his student Pranav is gone there with him. Whenever the students go with the gurus, they learn a lot of things that just by hanging out with them. So once Palakkad Raghu was in a kacheri, before that he was talking to a Tamil Vidwan. They both were doing the Jugalbandi there. And then it looks like Tamil Vidwan gave like one idea to Raghu sir. Raghu sir took that one idea, made it like 10 different choroids, right? Like you solve one thing, just gives the trigger and a lot of other thing happens. So thank you everyone for Here we have IAM students. Can you introduce yourself?
Namaskaram, my name is Elan. Namaskaram, my name is Janvi.
Here we have Prahlad, Anirudh, Raghav. We have Seeman, sorry. We have Shashwat. We have Krishna, Sanjay Kumar. We have Pranav, Hari, we have Arya.
Just take a moment to. Before we honor Gopi Anna, while I have all of you here, I would like to honor 3 special people that Gopi Anna will agree are very important. Part of the issue with most performances and most Aradhana gatherings is that people are just not heard. And the team that works tirelessly behind sound, they are always the unsung heroes. And I really want them to be gratefully thanked today by the entire Lotus team, because without their constant presence and watching over every student's, edada, valada, eda nama gavanikkirom, apra vaada vocal mic iduva adva. There's so many things that go into this because every child works hard to be heard and we want to make sure they are. 3 people that have been doing this tirelessly today since the very beginning of the morning. Our dear Prakash Tandapani and Vishak has become a permanent fixture for us in Lotus. I don't know how else to say it. Soumya Ma is one of Bay Area's gurus and musicians, and the children are also students of music, and Vishak is ever present everywhere. And his seva is just unbelievable. And the third person who we count on for sound, and we count on him for setup, and I count on him to come here literally to open the temple doors. I count on him to fill in all the blanks, every single detail. My dear younger brother, I affectionately call him Tamudu Chaitanya. May we please have all of you up here. I think it's only fair that once in a while everybody gets to see who you unsung heroes are. So please, Mango. Please, Mango. All three of you, please come forward. Come. Please, Mango. The mic is in my hand, so now please, Mango, chulli der mein Mango.